everywhere. And then the National Security Advisor told all of us that those who were arrested with automatic weapons, Fulani, these were Miyetti ala vigilante in a country. The National Security Advisor came out to say that he was the one who harmed this Fulani vigilante, who are unknown to other security forces. Now, this would not have been particularly galling if I had not been aware of the lamentation of the old soldier, General Togun, who was given the task of heading the Amotekun in Oyo State, but who could not deliver anything effective simply because the Nigerian state would not allow Amotekun forces to have proper weapons. They were denied the capacity to even be trained to bear proper weapons. But the same state, in the same country, the National Security Advisor is arming Fulani vigilante. Quote.
The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa, Boko Haram, Fulani headsmen, bandits, all of them. Who brought them to Nigeria? It's Fulani. Fulani brought them into Nigeria. El Rufai brought them in. Bauchi State Governor brought them in. Are you people deaf and dumb and stupid? When you come out and you pretend, oh, we are one Nigeria, go and show me. Somebody was asking, where is the boundary, where would the boundary of Biafra begin? And I asked the fool, where did the boundary of Nigeria begin? People from Niger come in and go as they like. Most of these idiots are from Niger. They are building a pipeline to Niger. They are building a railway line to Niger. They are building roads to Niger. Whereas where the money comes from, which is Biafra land, we don't have those infrastructure. No, we don't. But you're taking our money. You come to Izombe. You come to Ohaji. You come to Ebema. You come to Aguleri. You come to...
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.